Okay, I think we are live. Let me check who is online. Is anybody here? Okay, cool. We have I think we have some people in the chat. So we can just start with that, yeah? Okay. I just want to go through some key things here. This is something which I was considering earlier. I was actually looking at it. Now, I'm not actually looking at the current price action. I'm not super interested in, the daily price actions. I know a lot of people get scared when they see price go down. That I really do not care, because if it goes down, well, I'll just buy some more. So there is nothing intriguing about seeing price go down. There is like literally nothing super intriguing. Let me see if you have any thoughts in the comments. Okay, all right, cool. Now that we are here, so this is what I was actually thinking about. This right here is XRP. I did make this chart. I think this was like some weeks ago when I posted a video on TikTok. And if you are not following the other YouTube channel, Understanding Crypto Short, I do have another YouTube channel. I think I have the link to that in the description of this video, of this live. And you can follow that, or you can subscribe to that channel if you do not have TikTok, because I know some people here actually come from YouTube and Google search and stuff, so they do not have TikTok. So you can use that other YouTube channel. I usually would upload back the videos that I post on TikTok to that YouTube channel. This is so that everybody can, follow along as I get some videos out. There are many videos that I do on TikTok that I don't do here on YouTube. So follow that, subscribe to that channel. This right here, this is XRP, and I did post this chart. This was like I think I made a video about this like some weeks back, and I talked about XRP coming back to this 0.618 Fibonacci. And in our past predictive analysis video, we had this right here. We talked about this. We said that price usually would retrace back to the 0.618. Now, if it misses that 0.618, it will then come now to the 0.786 here. That is your lowest area where you would want price to go, because if it goes below that, then you are targeting this 1 fib right here, which will be 100% retracement of the entire structure. So this 1 fib right here is the 100% retracement of this entire structure. Yeah, that's the 1 fib. And you would expect a retracement around the 0.618. So that is between 42 cents to 39 cents. That is where you want XRP to retrace back from. And that is why I was a bit skeptical when, I was thinking the price will go up, because this retracement had not been done yet. As price is coming to this zone right here, I become a bit more confident for price to actually have some sort of bounce here, then move up higher. Now, this means if you were an XRP person and you bought XRP around here, now I'm actually making this live because, making a video would take so much time to edit, and I may not have the time for that today. I have so much work to do with this. You guys know I'm building a website for all of us. This is Vayware.io. It will be the ultimate crypto management platform. I think it'll be great. So right here, if I was an XRP person and I bought XRP, let's just say I was aggressive with the buy and I bought XRP here, I would want to sell anywhere around this region here. This will be 17% up. So that's a good move if you can take that. That's if you are an XRP person and you're trying to DCA into your bags. This would be a great zone to add more to your bags in case you missed this impulse right here. So according to me, what I think is happening right here is this is the first move up, a retracement, and then it will now have its longest leg up, hopefully. Okay, so that is XRP. Now this is actually what I wanted to tell you guys today in this video. This is what I wanted to show you. Let's go to BTC versus the US dollar. BTC dollar right here. So we have Bitcoin there at coming close to $27,289.98. That's pretty low. Now this is something which I noticed on the 2-day time frame. We do have a golden cross on the 2-day time frame. Golden crosses usually have this effect. When you have a golden cross, you would easily have price dump like this and rally higher than you would ever imagine. Of course, it may as well just crash. Okay, there's no guarantee, but it's just that what is interesting here is what to do. So if price crashes down to maybe 13k, 12k, 3k, what will I do? I'll just buy. It's something that I've been anticipating for a very long time, which is why I'm not all in the markets. At 3,000, I'll probably sell everything and go into this market. I'll probably sell the channel also. No, just jokes. I'll not sell anything. But I'm just saying that is the point where I would want to sell, or say I would want to sell everything up here around the $47,000 mark before waiting for a ginormous crash. All right. So for now, for me, nothing is interesting. When it dips, to me, that is not interesting, because if it goes back to 25k, I'm still in profits. If it goes to even 20k, I'm still in profits. If it goes to, say, let's say it goes to 14k, then I might buy some. If it goes to 12k, to 10k, I will buy. I will buy heavily at that point. If it goes to 3k, then I will just go all in the markets. So that is my thesis, as to what is going on and what I will do if BTC reacts that way. For now, this to me means nothing. This to me is just worthy of a trade, And quite frankly, even at this point, I wouldn't be shorting. I would actually wait for it to bounce back up before I go for a short. Because if we go right here, that was the golden cross on the 2-day time frame. If we go to the 6-hourly time frame, you'll see something interesting. Yeah, you'll find something interesting on this time frame, which is something that I was looking at before. Now, this is not actually why I was making this video today. This video is about the all-time high, and we will come to that in a second. This is what I was looking for. You have this ascending ascending channel right here. You have a break of that ascending channel to the downside. That's the downside coming here right here. So the downside target for your ascending channel breakdown is coming down to $26,900. Yes, $26,900 will easily be at the 200 MA on the 6-hourly time frame. So that coincides with this support. It should use that as support before we see it rally back up. Now the rally back up, let's just say it comes right down there, then we could still see price go right back up to this level at the 0.786, which will be at 30k still. So this to me, there is no, I don't find this interesting in any way. If I was to short, this will be my zone where I go short. This will be my zone where I go short, and I would be a bit more aggressive with the short. If I wanted to short, this will be the zone, because all stop losses are around these levels right here. That's what Fibonacci says. According to Fibonacci, there should be some type of imbalance around here, and then your short position would be here. Then the stop loss will be this previous high right here. So if I put a short position right here, stop loss is previous high here, which could be taken out to go for the $31,900 level. So yeah, it could be taken out, and that is a pretty wide stop loss. I wouldn't take that. I won't take that. It's too wide. That's 4%. Except I'm like shorting at 2x leverage or 3x leverage. That's too wide. But if I was to be aggressively shorting this, like very high leverage, then I will come back up to the 31,000. Yes, 31,086, 0.86 there, and that will be my short down to 25. But going in on a short right now is what I will not do. I wouldn't be going in on a short here and just be a late shorter so that they take me out. I wouldn't do that. So this is what I see here. I think there will be a bounce around here back to the upside. If we take our stochastic, let's see stochastic. If we see let's see if the stochastic is undervalued. It should be undervalued. So stochastic RSI, yes, it is undervalued. We see it very, very undervalued right there. Yeah, so a bounce should be coming in pretty soon. So all of this to me is not interesting. This is not what I want. Let me go to the daily time frame and show you one last thing before I show you. Okay, so the support that we're talking about on the 6-hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, that support is actually the 50 MA. So the 50 daily moving average. Yes, that will be your ideal support at this region. So if I wanted to short, I would expect a bounce back up. So I would expect a bounce back up to here. I would expect a bounce back up like so. Give me something like so, and then come right down. Now you will have your head and shoulders pattern that should take you to around this region right here for an ultimate lift off. So I would be waiting for a short. If that was my thesis here, I would be waiting for a short here. But I honestly don't want to short this market. We're in a parabola. This thing could take off at any moment. It could do a V-shaped recovery here and be flying up, and you're like, what's going on? That's how parabolas work. And on the third dip for a parabola, price usually would double. So yeah, if this thing comes down to 25k, careful there. It could double from there. I'm just saying, that's how parabolas work. It must not really double, but it could do anything close to that, which still aligns with my $47,000 Mac. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you, and here is my reason why I think the all-time high is cancelled. Well, what I mean by that is that the all-time high is cancelled for this year. Everybody is saying, well, we're going to $1 million. This guy who said we're going to $1 million in 90 days. All of that type of bullish news. Here is what I want to show you. Let's go to the weekly time frame here, people. Weekly time frame on Bitcoin. We have talked about this already. All of this price action that is going on here is outside the trend line from the all-time high. So we have this trend line from the all-time high. Let's take the trend line like so. And then we see that if we follow the candle closes here, so we have that first candle close, second candle close here. Now that weekly is overvalued on the stochastic. Not really good. Normally I would expect a crash from there. So yeah, you have to know that when I'm saying, well, I'm still bullish, it's something that I would usually be bearish when I see this, especially when I see this. And on the 3-day time frame, I see the same thing. Yes, I still see the same thing. So yeah, although I say we could have a retracement back up, I am prepared even if this thing is just to go to the downside, because usually when I see this on the 3-day time frame, when you see the stochastic overvalued like so on the 3-day time frame, and on the weekly you also have an overvalued stochastic, usually I would be bearish. The only thing that keeps me bullish is this on the monthly. This on the monthly is telling me that we still have some ways to go to here before the move to the downside. So I'm just prepared, I'm just prepared for the move. If we crash from here, it's fine. I will just buy, so it doesn't bother me in any way. But let me see if we are to retrace this monthly candle. Let's see, 0.5 will put us at 25,800 on the monthly candle. So still to me, that is a retracement. The $26,600 Mac will be a retracement of the golden pocket on the monthly candle. So still, that's just a retracement, and we may still go back up. So let me show you what I want to show you here on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have this trend line from the all-time high, and we have a breakout of that trend line, and we now are retracing back. That's the price action that we're getting here. Okay, so that is for the 2022 bear market, 2022-2023. Let's go to 2017 all-time high. We come here, take a line from the all-time high, and we put like so. We see that we have we have this marking the resistance here, and we also have the price breaking out right here. Yeah, so far so good. We have price breaking out here. We also have price breaking out here. Okay, let's go to 2015. 2015, we also have a similar structure. We have from the all-time high, let's take from the all-time high, and we put it there to the exact candle. We see that here in 2015, all-time high resistance price broke out from here. So those are the key things that we have seen on this chart. We've actually made this before. We've talked about this before. If you've been following the channel, then you've seen this before. We have the trend from the all-time high, trend from the all-time high, trend line from the all-time high, a breakout of that trend line, a breakout of the trend line here, and a breakout of the trend line here. If everything is good so far, please let me know in the comments. I don't even know. I'm not hearing myself, so I don't know if you're hearing what I'm saying. Hello, I'm good. Please let me know in the comments if everything is good so far before we bring this up. I have about 28 people watching the video, so I think everything is good. Just let me know if everything is good in the comments. No comment yet. Is everything okay? Just let me know if everything is okay in the comments. Let me see. Okay, great. Okay, good. Where were the comments before? You guys, is this thing lagging or something? Okay, so we have these trend lines from the all-time highs of these particular sessions. Now we cannot go back to this one. Okay, we can't even go back here to 2013. Yeah, and let's just go there and see what happens. I've not tried it with 2013, but let's just see what happens here. So 2013 all-time high, we take that from the all-time high, and then we have we have a breakout right here, and then we continue to go up. Now let's take from 2013. Let's take from 2013, and we start to go to 20. Yes, we start to go here. This is 2013. Where is 20? No, this is not even. This is just like a mini high or something. Well, we can't really do this here now, can we? This is we did not even have much capital here, so Bitcoin was crazy. But let's just try this. Let's just try this one. Okay, so let's try this from the top to the bottom. Now, will this even work here? This is a crazy thing. Because this here, there was no money here. Everybody was buying Bitcoin extremely cheap. Bitcoin here was what? $100. So we can't really have good information price wise here. Bitcoin was more of a small cap coin here. But let's just entertain the idea by closing candles, okay? Because the lower time frame you go, you should mostly use the bodies of the candles. Even if you use the body of the candles in the other years, it will function the same. But let's try this from this year where we start to have capital come in. Okay, let's go from this top right here. Yes, from the top in 2013 all-time high to the bear market. Yeah, so we take from this top. Let's take Fibonacci from this top. We can take from the top of the yes, 2013. If you have any questions, just let me know. Yeah, everything is good. Okay, cool. If you have any questions, just let me know as we go on. Yeah. Okay. Now, from the top in 2013, exact top, that's exact dollar, to the exact bottom right here in 2015. Now this is the point where we say we actually go outside of that trend line, yeah, where we defeat, say, the bear market is over. Okay, so we start from here in 2015, and then we look. You will see that the time where BTC had its biggest retracement was here. Yes, but this point is somewhat interesting because BTC hit the 0.618. BTC hit this zone right here. So it's extremely important. I'm going to show you why that's important. So BTC hit to the exact dollar. I don't know if everybody's seeing this. Yeah, BTC hit this zone to the exact dollar. You can see it that right there. I'm not the one saying it. That is it in the charts. I am not the one saying it. So we put this to the exact dollar here, and let's go up and see what's happening here. Look at this. Look at the beauty of this. BTC hit this point to the exact dollar at $775. It hit it to the tip. Then it plummeted. Yeah, it plummeted. Look at what happens here. BTC then plummets by what? By 39%. Okay, good. Let's go now to 2019. Yeah, so we go from the top of 2017 to the exact bottom of 2018. We take from the top, Fibonacci, we take from the top right here to the bottom of 2018, and then what happens? BTC again comes up to that 0.618. So we could say that, well, it only happened twice, you know, and 2 times is not really a pattern. But why is it that it comes to this exact point? That's where it's intriguing for me. So it comes up to this exact point before having its next biggest dip after this exit right here. So this is the point where we mark the price action, that it exited this point, and the only other time that it had its biggest dip here is referring to like the 3k type of dip. Yeah, the dip that goes to like 3k in this present cycle, which means I begin to expect that it goes up for this 0.618 area before going for my 3k target. Now let's go to 2023. Okay, now 2023, what's happening with Bitcoin? 2023, Bitcoin, from the all-time high, we take Fibonacci and we go to the 15k target. Now what happens there? BTC has not gone up there yet, but where is that region? That region is at about 40. Let's take this from here, from the exact dollar right here, and we put this to the exact dollar right here. That gives us around 48k for the 0.618. 48k for the 0.618. And now if we take from this, which we have rightfully mentioned on this channel, if we take from this right here, if we take from this, and then we are looking for that target. Yes, we are then looking for this target here. We take this and we put here. Now I'm going to show you some other thing that you might find crazy. If we put this at the exact point where it exits, wait, if we take this from here, that's the widest opening of your, yes, the widest opening. Okay, cool, because it must match with that exact. Okay, look what happens there. It goes to the exact golden pocket. So why am I showing you this? Why am I showing you this? Because I am not interested in selling here for a 10% profit, for a 20% profit. Heck, I could get a 20x in nano caps. Yeah, I could get a 50x in nano caps. My problem is not selling for profit. My problem is avoiding the biggest the everything bubble. I think that everything bubble could be coming to crash here. Why you might ask? Okay, let me show you something else. Take from this. Now we have 3 points of confluence here. So we have three golden pockets, yeah? 2019 golden pocket, 2015 golden pocket, and 2023 golden pocket. So this one, 2023 golden pocket, 2019 golden pocket, and 2016 actually golden pocket. Yeah, so this one, and this one. Now look from the all-time high. We take from all-time high to that particular golden pocket where we expect price to bounce from. Yes, we expect price to bounce from this particular region right here, which will be a 29% discount from the all-time high. We go to 2019, the 2019 scenario. We take from the all-time high to that region. What are we seeing? We are seeing 29% discount from the all-time high. Let's go to 2015. And honestly, I'm just seeing this one now. Yeah, it's crazy. I really just thought about that one now. Let's see how this one would be, because they are all close to the point where everybody was convinced that price is just going to rally back up. Yeah, okay, we take from the all-time high here. Let's remove this. Okay, so take from the all-time high and put around here, all-time high, and it gives you 33% discount from the all-time high. So we could just call this all, just a coincidence. We could just be lazy and call it a coincidence, or we could understand that there is something actually happening here. Bitcoin will not go above 69k this year. Bitcoin will not go above 69k this year. It has been following patterns. It has been following waves all along. Those waves are telling us that this is our top. This will be our top. Now, you notice that in this video, I'm not saying it can go here, it can go there. I watched some videos earlier with some people. There's this guy called the Moon, and they like to say it can go here. I saw a picture the other day, and he had like a symmetrical triangle. Yeah, he had a symmetrical triangle, and it showed two sides. And later on, now I'm not like hating on anybody. I really found it funny, and I saw this on Twitter actually. The symmetrical triangle had two sides, and price went one way, and later on he would say it went exactly as predicted. So it's kind of funny to me, like how do you say you predict something if you actually predicted both sides? So this I could say with confidence that this is our top. This will be our top. Could we just crash from here? Yes. But if we were to go to the upside, this will be our top. I am convinced that we will not go above this level this year. This 69k level, we will not go above that level, because we have been following the same exact rhythms all along. Now, this is something else that I wanted to share with you guys. In the past, Bitcoin's market cap was lower than it is today. So the market cap in 2017 bull market is not the same market cap in 2021. As time goes by, it takes more money to push up price because the market cap is becoming larger, which is why we have been having diminishing returns. Yeah, we've been having diminishing returns, and you can just see that from here. Let's take this chart, for example. Let's take these out. So from here, let's take from here. So this is your bottom in 2018 bottom. Take from 2018 bottom to 2021 market high. That is a approximately 2,100% price increase. So from 2018 bottom to 2021 market high is a 20x on your investment. Yeah, okay, that's actually crazy. You know, it should be more than that. It's crazy. You wait for 3 years just to get that. It's crazy. Okay, with crypto it's crazy, but with other assets it's not. It's a lot with other assets. So let's take from 2015 right here, 2015 bottom to 20. Let's take to this one. Yes, to this high here in 2017. That's about 12,000%. Yes. Okay, go now to this one. Go now to this other bottom here in 2011, and so you will see that the bottoms, they the returns are diminishing. Yeah, so we are having diminishing returns. You can see it here. Here is 52,725%. Here is 12,600%, and here is 2,000%. So we are having diminishing returns. So it's taking more. It's taking more money to push price up, more capital. So we cannot expect that it continues to go like that. There needs to be a reset. And the fact that we have this bottom right here, this is actually like 23% away from this previous bottom. That's this second bottom. That's the pandemic drop. It's like 23% away from this previous bottom. The fact that we have this drop right here, if we were to replicate the same thing here, it will be deeper because there is more capital here. There will be more selling. And so when I say this, some people are like, well, that was the pandemic drop, so and it did not go below this previous bottom. Well, if we were to repeat the same thing here, it will be deeper because there is more money here. There is more money on the table. So the selling will be higher than here. Anyway, it's just, these are just some things that I wanted to bring to you all's attention. This structures that we've been seeing from 2019, 2015 to now. I think if we were to go even to this 47, 48k target, it will not go higher. And why am I saying this now? Because if we go up here, to this level, everybody on the internet will be telling you that we will go even higher to 1 million. And so you need to be careful, because when the market continues to go up, the news will tell you and give you reasons why we will not go back down. It's important to see these things now. If Bitcoin, for example, just went down to 3k from here, believe me, the news will tell you that you should not buy. Bitcoin is dead. Satoshi Nakamoto moves to his bitcoins. He's going to sell everything. That is what the news is going to tell you. This strategy is about seeing things before they ever happen. Today I asked in the Discord group if any of you had that. If you're not in the Discord group, you may use the links in the description and join the Discord or Telegram group. Our premium signals are now for free, completely for free, until the 30th of April. This is in honor of Ramadan, of the ending of Ramadan, like Eid Mubarak, and Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim people here in the chat. So yeah, so if price actually came down, do you see a bounce to 30k happening? I see somewhere around 20. Yeah, 30k is also possible. Even 31k is still possible. Look, I don't mind if BTC does this. It does this all the times, and when it does this, everybody becomes overly bearish. Look on the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. We're already getting close to undervalued territory there. Yeah, we're getting close to undervalued territory. So I'm not overly bearish. And if you keep trying to sell here, that's you sell here and buy here, sell here and buy here, believe me, you will miss out on the larger move. If I bought Bitcoin at $1, if I bought Bitcoin at $1 and I sold at, say I bought at $1 for $1,000 and I sold at 69,000, and you traded and you were buying the bottoms and selling tops from $1 to 69,000, I'll make more money than you. You cannot beat the market. Yeah, trading is so that we have some money daily and stuff, but what will actually give you money in crypto? Majority of my wins in crypto, like they are from holding, not from trading, and that's just it. The richest people in crypto are holders, founders, that's exchange founders or coin founders. Those are the richest people in crypto. Apart from that, you cannot be you can be rich from trading, don't get me wrong, you can be rich from trading, but the truth about it is you can trade, but someone who bought a coin that did 1,000,000x, you cannot beat that person. It's only difficult to find a coin that will do the 1,000,000x, but let's just say we are comparing all traders to all holders. Holders will beat the traders, so we do trade, so that we have money to reinvest. That's the purpose of trading. It's not so that you become wealthy. It's so that you get more to buy and hold, because it is through buying and holding that you will eventually actually make a lot of money. Believe me, if you got, say, a nano cap, if you got a nano cap at, say, 100,000 by market cap and held it up to $1 billion, there is no trader that will beat you. That trader doesn't exist yet, So yeah, I do expect, as I said in the beginning of the video, I do expect a move back up to this region right here, which will be the only place where I would be thinking of shorting. But will I short? No. I will probably just go long instead, because it's riskier shorting this. This is a parabola. It can rally back up like nothing happened. That's how they do that. That's the exact same thing that happened here. It came down and zoomed up. So be very careful with that. And my thesis was on XRP. I was looking at XRP when I was talking about that dip. I think I just made a video over on TikTok and I posted it in my other YouTube channel. When I made the video, XRP was up here. I was saying that wait until XRP comes down here. Wait for it. Wait and ambush XRP down here. And someone said, maybe you didn't put that tool correctly. I've been using Fibonacci for over 7 years, so I think I would know what I'm talking about. So anyway, thanks so much for being in the live. I hope you did understand the theory and thesis why I think BTC will not make that all-time high this year. I think the maximum that it would do would be that $47,000, $48,000 mark. And if we actually get there, I put the if because of this weekly time frame and the 3-day time frame. I hate them when they are overvalued like so. But I would prefer to have it undervalued when I'm saying that price will go up, because I know what that weekly can do. The weekly and the 3-day time frame, when they are overvalued at the same time, I hate it, because yes, they have been known to bring crazy crashes. I think my latest another video where I was calling the crash to 15,000. We were over on Instagram when I was saying this. When I was saying that we are going to go down to about 15k, 15.4. That was our first price target on Instagram. Some of you were on that live video. Yeah, when I was saying that we are going to go down to 15.4, and the next target was going to be, I think that was 12. Yeah, and the next one was about I think that was like 7. Yeah, we were on the live and we were talking about that. So I was using that weekly and 3-day. When I have the weekly time frame, weekly, 3-day time frame, and the daily time frame all overvalued on the stochastic, yes, that's bad faith. Yeah, if you come even here, what gives me some hope is the daily time frame daily time frame and monthly time frame. Daily and monthly are undervalued. Monthly is not so undervalued, but I think it can still be the fuel we need to push even higher. If it dips past 15k, what will I do? I'll just buy. So there's no huge, call for what will we do if it dips. There is no, I'm not panicking. I will just buy more. That's just it. And I'll even be happy because, well, it will be behind us. I'm really tired of watching price and looking if it's going to dip so that I buy. I'm tired of that. The only point where I will find some real interest is if Bitcoin goes to 47. That is where I will look left, I will look right, and I will probably just sell everything, and run away. Yes, that is where I will seek to probably just sell everything. We will see what will happen right there. Before, as we were saying, on the 6 hourly, and that's looking like it's going to happen even as we speak. Let's see if this thing can load up quick before we end the show. Yes. You're most welcome, Kasira. Is it Carissa? Carissa Mims. Bohan. Jack Slows. Yeah, I know this guy. He usually would DM me on Instagram. Obench. Obiora. Willem. Carissa, Austin. Some other names. Jack Haiti. Jimmy John. So yeah, and we have the 6 hourly right there, and I think it will meet the target pretty soon. Actually, it will meet the target before it moves back up higher. Let's see. And I usually will not even trust a dump on the weekend. I would want a dump on a usual day, like say Tuesday evening to Thursday. That is when I will actually trust price action, because all of this is just gonna manipulate you off the markets. Let's take that from here to here, and we see if Mr. BTC is going to meet his set target. So yeah, the target is going to be right here, kind of like at 27,000, exactly 27,000. Benefit of the doubt, I'm going to say yes, exactly there. That's like 27,000 actually. Yes, 27,000. So I might say it bounces here at this region before retracing back up. But ultimately, if I did not have any crypto, I would only want to buy the coins or tokens when it comes down to 25. If I did not have any crypto, I already have crypto. All my long-term holdings, I have them in place already. So for me now, there is no need wanting to buy or sell. If it goes up to like 47, I'm selling, most possibly. If it goes below 15 or goes to 15 or maybe somewhat around 16k, I might buy, because if it drops down from here to 16, I will be more inclined to think that it will not go to 3. Yeah, my theory for 3 really needs it to go to 47 first. I know it's a crazy theory, but that is how I see the price action. Thanks so much for being here. We will see each other in the next video. Until then, stay safe, have a happy Eid, and check the links in the description if you want to join the Discord or Telegram group. If you want to, take part or say register on any exchange, I do have those links in the description with all the resources you may need. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.